Hi, I'm Serena and this is The Know. There's been an update in the search for 3 Brits and 2 crew members lost in a submersible vessel in the Atlantic Ocean. Keep watching to find out what happened. Hopes have been raised after rescuers searching for the missing Titanic submersible detected banging noise from the area where the divers had vanished. US Coast Guard confirmed that search efforts have been relocated to the area where underwater noises were detected. This hopeful update comes after it is believed that roughly 18 hours of oxygen is left in the submersible that has been missing since Sunday. The vessel lost communication with its mothership MV Polar Prince around an hour and 45 minutes into the 2-hour dive to the location of the Titanic wreck. On board the vessel are British billionaire Hamish Harding and UK-based father and son Shahzada Dawood and Salman Dawood. Other crew members are the CEO of OceanGate Expeditions, Stockton Rush and French submersible pilot Paul-Henri Nargeolet. The multinational search involving the US, Canada and other commercial vessels have been scouring the area where the 5 went missing. They went missing roughly 435 miles south of Newfoundland, Canada in the Atlantic Ocean. Yesterday evening, US Coast Guard Captain Jamie Frederick confirmed vessel dives had taken place to help locate the submersible.
Since Sunday, the Coast Guard has coordinated search efforts with the US and Canadian Coast Guard, Air National Guard aircraft, and the Polar Prince, which have searched a combined 7,600 square miles, an area larger than the state of Connecticut. These search efforts have focused on both surface, with C-130 aircraft searching by sight and with radar, and subsurface, with P-3 aircraft were able to drop and monitor sonar buoys. To date, those search efforts have not yielded any results. Search efforts have continued through last night and today. Today, the vessel Deep Energy, a 194-meter pipe-laying vessel, arrived on scene with underwater ROV capability. They have rendezvoused with the vessel Polar Prince and commenced an ROV dive at the last known of the position of the Titan and the approximate position of the Titanic wreck. That operation is currently ongoing.
There appears to be a breakthrough in the search as a Canadian aircraft detected noises in the area where the vessel went missing. In a tweet confirming the reports, US Coast Guard said, Canadian P-3 aircraft detected underwater noises in the search area. As a result, ROV operations were relocated in an attempt to explore the origin of the noises. Those ROV searches have yielded negative results, but continue. Additionally, the data from the P-3 aircraft has been shared with our US Navy experts for further analysis, which will be considered in future search plans. Rescuers are in a race against time as it's believed that oxygen will run out in the one-window sub roughly around midday Thursday. A special rescue vessel equipped with heavy machinery and submarines set sail to the location of where the trapped Titanic tourists were last known to be. It will join a flotilla of other rescue ships in the area searching for the missing men. The vessel, named Titan, has high-resolution cameras and provides the crew with a live view of the Titanic's wreck. Tickets cost roughly £195,000 for an 8-day trip. The vessel operates by pinging its location every 15 minutes, with the last ping being registered not far from the wreck site. Thank you for watching The Know. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe for more daily news updates.